Hi, welcome to my video on writing different expressions given the variable. Let's do some examples. Number one, let C represent the cost of a car in dollars. Write algebraic expression for each. A, the price of another car if $1,000 more. That means it's going to be more, so it's going to be C plus 1,000. 1,000 is in dollars. The selling price if the car was sold for a loss of $3,000. So the cost of the car is C, a loss is a minus, so it's 3,000. The price of another car is sold for 4,000 less than half the cost. So half the cost, notice you have less than, so less than reverse the order, so half the cost is a half C, and less than is subtract, so it's less than 4,000. So notice we have talking about another car. There's two cars, but this one, the new car, is the cost plus 1,000. The selling price of the car we have is C minus 3,000. So notice we have two variables, one variable, but expressing two items. Let's do number two. Let N represent the number of students in a classroom. Write an algebraic expression for the students in another class. 10 fewer students. So if the other class got 10 fewer students, that means it has less. So it's N minus 10. If the other class has half as many students, so that's a half N. And again, we're talking about the other class, twice as many students, less 4. So twice as many students, that would, 2, I was multiplying, putting not a 4 in. So twice as many is 2 times, less is subtract 4. 7 more than triple the number of students. So 7 more than means add, so 7 plus triple is 3n. Again, the better way to write that is 3n plus 7. 7 plus 3n is not wrong, but in math, we put it in descending order. We put the linear term before the constant term. Number 3, let W be the width of a rectangle. Write an algebraic expression for the length. So if the width is W, then the length is twice the width, so that's 2 times W. And the length is 6 more than the width, so it's the width plus 6, or you could have said 6 plus the width, but again, W, the variable, goes before the constant. Triple the width less 2, so triple the width is 3W minus 2. And the length, D, the sum of the width and 5, so the width plus 5 is the length. Notice the length in geometry, the length is normally longer than the width, more than, greater. 9 subtracted from twice the width. Subtract from, reverse the order. So twice the width is 2W. Subtract 9. Again, notice W is the width, and all of these expressions, 2W, W plus 6, 3W minus 2, W plus 5, 2W minus 9 is an expression for the length. So just to go back, if you had a rectangle with a length of 7, then if you had a rectangle with a width of 7, then the length would be twice that, so it would be 2 times 7 would be 14. So we're writing expressions for the two terms, 2, length and width. Practice. Practice means pause your video, work these out, and see if you get the answer right. So do one at a time. Do A, then do B, then do C, and see how you make out. Let P represent the price of car A. Write an algebraic expression for the price of car B. So car B, twice the price of car A. So car A is P, so that's 2 times the price of car A. A is P, so that's the P right there. So 2,000 less than the price of car A. Car A is P, so 2,000 less than that, less than reverses, so it's P minus 2,000. 60% of car A, again the price of car A is P, so it's 60% of P. You could write that down as 0.60 P, or you can write down 0.6 P, either or. 60% of P, which is 0.60 times P, or 0.6 P. Let N let's do B. Again, pause the video and see if you can work these out. Let N represent the number of males in a group of adults. Write an algebraic expression for the number of females. Half the number of males. The males is N. N represents the number of males, so half the number of males is half N. So the number of females is half N. The number of females is 30 more than the number of males. The number of males is N, so 30 more than, so 30 plus the N. And again, the better way to write that is N plus 30. Again, 30 plus N is not wrong. N plus 30 is better in terms of the math. The number of males less 12. The number of males is N. So the number of females is the number of males less 12. So it's N minus 12. The number of females is 10 less than triple the number of males. The number of males is N. So triple is 3N. So less than reverses the order, so it's 3N minus 10. Again, you can see two unknowns here. One, the females are in terms of the males. C, let N represent the number A. Write an algebraic expression for another number. Another number, 20 more than A. A is N. The number A is N. So 20 more than N is 20 plus N. Again, N plus 20 is mathematically better. Number A squared. The number A is N, so it's N squared. Twice the number A, and 6. The number A is N, so twice the sum of the number A and 6. So the sum is N plus 6, and twice that is 2 times in brackets. 2 times N plus 6. The sum of twice A and 6, the number A is N, so the sum of twice A plus 6. So twice A is 2N. Sum is add 6, so it's the sum of the twice N plus 6. So writing different variables. Hopefully you're getting used to it. More practice. Pause your video and work these out. For number 4. Let W be the width of the rectangle. Write an algebraic expression for its length. Again, W is the width, 6 times the width, 6W. The length is 10 more than the width. Again, the width is W. The length is 10 more, so it's 10 plus W, or W plus 10. 3 less than twice the width. The width is W, so 3 less than twice the width. Less than reverses the order, so it's twice the width is 2W minus 3. Triple the width, subtract 9. Triple the width is W. So triple the width is 3 times W. Subtract 9. Number 5, 2 subtracted from twice the width is W. Subtract from, reverses the order, so twice the width is 2W. Subtract 2. Twice the width, subtract 2. Number 5, pause the video and work the two of these out. Let n be the smaller number. Write an algebraic expression for the larger number. The larger number is triple the smaller number, so the smaller number is n, so triple the smaller number, so it's 3n. The larger number is 7 more than twice the smaller number. The smaller number is n, so it's 7 more than means add. Twice the smaller is 2n. And again, the better way is 2n plus 7. Number 6. Let n be the larger. Write an algebraic expression for the smaller number. So n is the larger. So wherever you see larger number, you put an n. So 30 less than the larger. So the larger number is n. So the smaller number less than is reverses the order, so it's n minus 30. 1/3 the larger number. The larger number is n. So the smaller number is 1/3 of the larger. Number 3, twice the larger number less 40. The larger number is n. So twice the larger is 2n, less is subtract 40. Number 4, the larger number decreased by 4. The larger number is n decreased by 4. The larger number n decreased is a minus 4. And again, notice number 5 here. I let n be the smaller, writing out in terms of the larger. And here I let n be the larger, writing the expression out in terms of the smaller. So you can let, when you have your choice, you can let n be whatever you wish, and works it through. Practice. Pause the video and see if you can work all 4 of these out. Let S be the side of a geometric figure. Write an algebraic expression for each. S is the side. The perimeter of a square. Well, a square has 4 sides. All the sides are equal. S, 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 S. Has all right angles also. And the perimeter is S plus S plus S plus S. So it's S plus S plus S plus S. So that's 4S is the expression for the perimeter. The area of a square is length times width, and we know it's S times S. So the area of a square is S squared. It's the expression. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle got 3 sides, and all the sides are the same. The perimeters add up, so it's S plus S plus S. So the perimeter is 3S. The algebraic expression for the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3S. The height is twice the side. So again, the side is S, so we put S for side. So the height is twice the size. So the height is 2S. Notice that these are algebraic expressions. If you relate it back, you can also relate it to writing an equation like P equals 4S. Or you could have area is S squared. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle, P equals 3S. The height is twice the side. So these are equations, but these are just expressions without the equal signs. So notice the equation and expression are related, but we're doing an expression, has no equal sign. That takes us to the end of the video. If you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, click the notification bell. More videos coming your way. And write a comment on my video if you wish. And visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. You get a section on me, which is my degrees and teaching experience. The section on video talks about the strategies you're going to use to help you learn your math. And the section on content has the topics and the number of videos on each topic. The black font is what's online right now, and the red font is what will be online in the near future. Thank you very much.